In September 2014, Mahindra launched its new scooter, the Mahindra Gusto. We were called in because in spite of being packed with features, on digital there was no conversation or awareness about it. So we set out to create some. Our insight? We realized that people buy scooters based on word of mouth, recommendations and real experiences. So we decided to give people the Gusto experience using friends, family and peers. The way to do that, interestingly, was by tapping into large and vocal communities and giving them a chance to experience the Gusto and amplify it. That's how the Go Gusto rides were born. A seamless digital and on-ground property that we took to Mumbai and Bengaluru. The Go Gusto rides allowed like-minded people to explore the things that they loved in their city. We started by tapping into one of the most popular interests of the online community in India, food. We then collaborated with influential food bloggers in both cities and got them to co-create a one-of-a-kind food ride with us. But first, each of them got a Gusto for a week. In that week, they rode around the city, documented their experiences on the Gusto, spoke about its features and got people to know more about it, all the while talking about the upcoming ride they were curating. They also drove people to the Go Gusto Rides microsite, which highlighted the upcoming food ride, the scooter itself, and gave people a chance to book a test ride. Simultaneously, we held a series of contests on Facebook and Twitter that gave people a chance to win seats on the rides. Everybody wanted to be a part of it. And then on a fine Sunday morning, the Go Gusto rides began. A fleet of Gustos with a bunch of die-hard foodies led by our bloggers set out to explore the city through its food. The group rode across tiny unexplored eateries that captured the flavor of that city, documenting their experience in real time across different platforms, giving their digital audience a chance to take the ride with them through their screens. And the response was fantastic. Digital audiences from all across the country jumped in with their views and recommendations. It also generated a lot of conversation about the Gusto, from inquiries on price, colors, features and more. But it didn't end there. We documented each ride and released films on Facebook and YouTube, allowing the larger community to experience the Go Gusto rides. These were promoted across social and through mobile and network ads. We also did native stories around the Go Gusto rides across publications ranging from automobiles to lifestyle. How did our integrated approach work for the Go Gusto rides? Well, take a look. Thus proving that whatever you have a Gusto for, you can live it, chase it, ride it with us.